All right, so good afternoon. Happy Tuesday, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Welcome to our Zoom.
Yay.
We are discussing our next lesson, but we also are going to just do a little quick recap on yesterday's lesson. Because Miss Kate wasn't here, right? So we're going to tell her what we talked about yesterday.
Yes.
Why don't you guys tell Miss Kate, how did we end the class yesterday? Kircha, what did we talk about yesterday? What was the discussion?
About like doing some to do like a list of things, a list of groceries or something like that.
Okay, what was that?
Is it about a budget?
Oh, yep.
Oh,
Budget.
that's so important.
A budget, yeah, budget.
Budget. All right. And how did we end the class yesterday, Jose?
The class ended.
What worksheet were we to do for homework?
Yeah, we had a homework assignment to finish out 4 items, and they were to be well, with the idea if it was a need or a want specifically, and the price.
Good job. Exactly.
Yeah.
But I haven't done yet, but okay.
You don't have it done yet?
No, because I haven't go to stores or something.
Well, no, you could have done it at home.
Yeah, you
You could have
should.
figured out. So, Jose, were you able to complete the worksheet?
I didn't finish it. I have it halfway done. I have 2 of the 4 items that we needed
Okay.
Yeah.
complete.
All right. So let's work on the worksheet together.
Okay.
Let me pull it up.
Crap.
Are you green?
Put on hold.
Oh, sorry, Robert. You look. Oh, there it is. Look, there it is.
You look nice.
The what?
You look nice today.
He's trying to say.
I decided to get a little dress, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Put it right over here.
I don't have the paper. It's at home. Gosh.
It's okay. So, but you see it on the screen, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. So, Jose, what were your 2 items?
Some stuff that I do at lunch. Some turkey,
Okay.
sliced turkey, Boar's Head sliced turkey, pound of that, and
How much was that?
the pound is $10.49.
Okay.
The dog was there.
And then the second item, also from the lunch area,
Okay.
that also use a lot is Boar's Head pepperoni, sandwich pepperoni. And that is, what is it, $9.50 a pound as well,
Okay.
instead of $10.50, yeah.
So the Boar's turkey was how much?
The pepperoni was $4.75, so there's only about a half pound of that.
About a half a pound. So it was
Yes.
$4.75.
Yes.
And then how much was the turkey that you got?
Okay, the 1 pound is $10.49.
Okay. So who remembers what was our limit yesterday?
25.
25.
So you had $25 to spend, right?
Yep.
So I have it here on so $25. Jose's turkey was $10.49, and the pepperoni, he said he got half a pound, so it was $4.75.
Yes, $4.75.
Okay. So are you gonna add another item, or is this enough?
That isn't enough. There's nothing. Sorry.
Well, from the budget, there's still about another close to $10, 9 something.
Yes.
If we still need more items.
Okay, so do you want to add more items, or is this the only thing that you're gonna get? Jose?
No, I was gonna add another couple of items. that
All right.
that
So
are
you
used.
have left. So let's figure out how much he has left, right?
Right.
So that will help you. So you have $25 and you have the two items. It's $10.49 plus $4.75, right?
Mhm.
So
Exactly.
$10.49 plus $4.75. It comes out to how much? Kircha?
1524.
Good job.
Good job. But what is it together? What's the number when it's one
Yeah,
five?
woo!
4, no, 5,
Fifth.
5,
What do we say at the end?
24, 25,
No, but what's the first number? 15.
15,
$15
$15.
$15. Oh, okay.
and 24 cents. So that's how much money, that's how much Jose has left to spend, right?
Mhm.
But
Right.
Right, Jose, what else are you thinking of getting?
Wait, you said there's how much more left?
$15.
Oh, no, that's what he spent.
No, that's
He's
what I
got nine
spent.
976 left.
Yes.
Yeah, 976 left. That makes sense.
1049 plus
29.
475 is 1524. I'm sorry.
Oh,
Right.
And then you had $25
mhm.
Yeah, 976.
and you're left with 975. So he has $9.75,
76.
$76 left.
Mhm.
Yep.
So what are you thinking, Jose?
Mhm.
Well, a couple of other things. One is soap for the shower,
Okay.
Irish Spring.
And how much is that?
Ooh, now that's a good question. Like I'm thinking a package. They're usually 2 or 4 to the package, but I really don't. I can't even tell you whether it's $2 or $3 or.
Well, let's make it up.
Okay. Then if I had to give it a shot, say a package of 2, 250.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Are you getting one more item?
Yeah, just a drink that I drink a lot of. It's club soda,
Okay.
and it's like a 12 pack case for $1.99.
Oh.
$1.99.
$1.99. Yeah.
For a case or just one?
No, it's a case of 12 cans.
Wow.
Okay. You said it's $1.99. All right. So
Yeah.
if we had already added the 1049
Mhm.
plus the 475,
Right.
1524.
24.
Now we're gonna add the 250, right?
Right.
Okay.
Plus the 199.
Mhm.
What was his total, Robert? Look at the screen.
She got it.
I can't even see it.
It's right there, see it? It's on the screen right there. See it? He's trying to see it.
I can't even see it.
It's hard to see there, Nash.
Okay, so it's $19.73.
Now I got it. All right.
There you go. Yeah, buddy. There you go.
All right, so let's do the difference of what he's gonna get back,
Right.
right? So his total was $19.73.
Woohoo!
And how much money did he have to start with, Kirsha?
What?
20.
How much money did he have to start with? How much did he come into the store with?
20?
It was a little bit more. It was 25,
Oh, 25. Oh,
right?
right.
Yep.
Just like you said.
Okay. So $25 minus 1973. All right. Robert, you ready for this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we got to subtract, right?
Right.
Because That's the whole purpose of a budget, is knowing how much money you have and how much can you spend,
Right.
right? Because you don't want to go to the store and then fill up your cart and you don't have enough money. Okay, Jason? All right, so we're gonna subtract 0 minus 3. Can we subtract 0 minus 3, Jason?
No.
No, right? So we're gonna borrow. So do we borrow from the other 0?
Preguntando cuánto es esto, que está perdiendo.
Can we borrow from this 0?
No.
No.
No, right. So we're gonna have to borrow from the 5, right?
Right. Right. That's good. Oh boy.
So we're gonna cross this out and cross this out, and we're gonna cross this out. Kircha,
Right.
what does that 5 turn if I'm borrowing from, if I'm borrowing 1? What does this number become?
6.
I'm taking away 1. So
Oh.
what's 5 minus 1?
5 minus 1, let me see. 5, 4.
Good job.
God. Teacher, woo.
Thank you.
All right, so we put that 4 up top,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna go back to our zeros. So in
Yeah.
order for this to be a 10, I need to borrow from here too, right?
Right.
Right.
This is gonna be
Right.
9, and then finally I can do my 10.
That's right. Mine's 10.
Robert, what's 10 minus 3?
3 minus 3 is 7.
Yes, you're right.
That's my boy.
right. I'm gonna put my 7 down on the same row that I did it, right? That I subtracted.
Right.
That's right.
All right. Jason, what's 9 minus 7?
9 minus 7.
Yeah. So count. How many numbers is it gonna take from 7 to get to 9? 7,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
no, but we only need to get to 9. So you're gonna do 7.
7, 8, 9, 3.
No, you don't count with the number, you count after it. So you already counted 7, so what goes after 7?
8,
And what goes after 8?
9,
All right, and how many do I have up?
2.
2.
There you go. So 9 minus 7 is 2. In order for 7 to get to 9, I need 2, right?
Right.
Great.
Yes.
Okay, so we have 7, right?
Yes.
What do I bring down, Kircha?
Let me see.
What do I
The
bring
9?
down? Do I bring the decimal point?
Yeah.
Yes, right? You have to put a decimal point.
That's right.
What's the cause of the decimal point? What does it separate? It separates the what?
The dollar.
Dollars.
Between the dollars and the cents.
Sorry.
Right, good job. So you have to make sure to put that decimal because that's how you know it's separating the dollars and cents,
Right.
right?
Right.
Great.
Yeah.
Let's move on to our, so we already have the cents. What's the cents? What's the amount? Kircha?
27.
Good
Yes.
job.
Woo-hoo.
How much is it, Kircha? Jose just said it.
27.
Very good. Good
Very
job.
good.
Thank you.
Woo-hoo.
Okay, so now we're going to move on to what, Robert? What is this side?
The left.
Huh?
The left, but what is that? What are we trying to figure out? The what? What amount?
The month.
If we already figured out the cents, what are we trying to figure out?
Dollars.
Good job.
Yeah.
I saw you there. I saw you. Right,
It's all
very
here,
good.
Robert.
Okay, so can we subtract 4 minus 9, CJ?
Yes.
Can we
Yeah.
subtract 4 minus 9?
Yes.
Can we?
Yeah.
Can we take
Yeah.
away something that's not there?
No.
No, right? So
The
what do we
brick.
have to do, Jason? If we can't take away 4 minus 9, what do I have to do to the left?
Okay, repeat the question.
He's gonna.
Repeat the question, cause,
CJ,
Yes.
he's sorry.
let
Yeah.
him talk. Let him listen to the question, all right?
Sorry.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, Jason. If I can't take away 4 minus 9, what do I have to do?
Take away, 4 minus 9. Can't. Plus it.
He might
No.
not be seeing the whole number.
I can't change my sign. Robert, do you want to help him?
Can't see it.
No.
Is it? Is it?
I don't think they can see the whole number.
Yeah, let me see if Kim can move the screen closer.
Yeah. She's over here.
Maybe show him on the little board what the number is, then he'll know.
Yeah. Yeah. What's he right here?
You're good. No, can you move the computer a little closer to them?
Yeah. Actually.
Yeah. They just can't see my math problems.
Okay.
You're welcome.
No problem.
Okay, so, Jason, if I can't subtract 4 minus 9, what do I have to do over here?
You got a borrow.
Good job. Do you understand that, Jason?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for showing.
Okay, so when I borrow, Robert, right?
Yeah.
What does the 2 become?
12 minus 4.
Nope. We're doing the left side. So I'm taking 1 from the 2. So if I take away 1 from 2, what's 2 minus 1?
1.
Very
Uno.
good.
What's that, buddy?
Thanks.
That's my boy.
So if I took away the 1, right? And now I can bring it over to the 4, what does the 4 become?
9, 6
Jose, do you want to help out with this one? If I borrowed 1,
Yeah.
what does the 4 become?
Yeah, the 4 becomes 14 because you really added 10 more cents from the next place.
Very good. So 14 minus 9. What's that, guys? What's 14 minus 9? How many from the 9 do I have to go to get to 14? So let's count. So 9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
12.
12, 13, 14,
14.
right. We needed to get to 14. So how many do I have up?
5,
5.
5.
5,
5.
Oh, yeah.
There's only 5 fingers. Like, right on the side. There's those fingers. There's 5. Whoa. Whoa.
All right. So if we have $5 and what cents?
27 cents.
Very good.
Yeah.
That's
Thank
how
you.
much Jose has left. And then we always want to make sure we recheck with a calculator to see
Right.
if we
Yep.
did it right.
Yeah,
That's it.
That's the left amount.
that's it.
That's how much you got left, Jose.
Yep.
Yeah, that's right.
Woo-hoo.
Okay. So we're going to move on to today's lesson.
That's right.
Okay.
Oh,
So everyone got that worksheet?
yes,
Yep.
ma'am.
All right.
I got the sheet.
Robert, you want to read the top? The first bullet point?
Top right here.
Okay.
Please.
Why is
What is budget too important?
Mhm.
why? Okay, good job. Kircha, you want to read the first bullet point?
Porque el budget es importante.
Since
Since be
budgeting
budgeting all
allows
Para tu dinero.
us you to care
create
create a spending plan for your money.
Good job.
Thank
Good
you.
job, Peter. Woo!
Jason, can you read the next sentence? It's starting with it ensures.
It ensures that you will always have enough money for the things you need and need that
No, no
you are
aprendo de americano así.
important to your.
To you.
Mhm.
Very good. Thank you, Jason. You did awesome.
Mhm.
Very good. Jose, do you want to read the next bullet point?
Yeah, no problem. Okay. Following a budget or spending plan will also keep you out of debt or help you work your way out of debt
Very
if you are
good.
currently in debt. Yeah.
Very good. So this gave us a little explanation. So now we know and we have a good understanding of why
Mhm.
budgeting is so important, right?
Right. That's right.
Right.
Okay, Kircha, do you want to read the question for me of the week?
Yeah. Questions of the week. Why is it important to know how to provide properly count money?
So this goes hand in hand, right? Because in order for you to know how to budget, you know how to do what, Kircha?
Count money.
Very good.
Good
So
job.
what's some answers that we can fill in for why is it important to know how to count money? DJ,
Yes.
why is it important to know how much money you have?
Well, you have to count money.
Okay, but why is it important to know how to count money?
Well, money is you have to you have to spend it on money. On money.
Okay. But
Yeah.
what if you don't know how to properly count your money? What are some things that can happen?
Well, you have to spend it on it. I mean, like,
Okay.
sorry.
So what if you don't have enough money though?
Right.
Isn't that
Then you
what?
can't get it.
Exactly. But isn't
You can't get
that
it.
isn't that one of the reasons why it's important to know how to count money? To know if you
Yeah.
have enough money?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Right.
Robert, what else do you think why it's important to know how to count money?
You have to, we shouldn't have to count money because you have to save money for the, because you have to save money for the, water bill, phone bill, and
Yeah.
power.
Good, buddy.
Right. So in order to know how to count money, you can save money as well, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
Kircha, what's another reason why it's important to know how to count money?
There's a reason why, because you have to know if you're going to a restaurant, you have to know how much money do you have to pay that, to pay that food or to pay that movie or whatever.
Yeah.
Right.
It's important to count.
Money too.
Then you'll know how much money you have. And then
Right.
you'll have to spend, on stuff.
So another good reason why is some people don't take advantage of you.
Right.
Oh, that's true too.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go.
Right.
I can
So
Right.
one of those words that we use when we're discussing your rights is exploitation.
Right.
And I know that's a really big word, but that
Yeah.
basically means when someone uses your money without your permission or your belongings or your,
Right. Mhm.
and that has to deal with why it's important to know how to count money. So no
Right.
one takes advantage of you. So if you
Right.
go to the store and let's say you're with your, even a family member can do it. And they say, hey, I know you have $20. Can you give me those $20? And they just want to buy 2 things. And let's just say those 2 things
Yeah,
cost $4.
Right.
And they come back and they just give you $2.
Right.
That's
Yeah.
my money.
I mean,
My money, man.
You're supposed to have more money, right?
Right.
Yeah.
In
Right.
order for you
Right.
not to be taken advantage of,
No.
it's important to know how to count money.
Right. Mhm. Mhm.
All right, Kircha.
I wouldn't think.
See? Yes?
I think it should be specific.
All right, so next part, we're gonna do a little bit vocabulary.
Ooh.
Ooh, I like that part.
Ooh. Good.
Okay, so what's the word that we're gonna be discussing? Can you read that?
Self
Good job.
esteem.
Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo.
Good job.
Thanks.
Self-esteem. Does anyone have
Self-esteem.
any idea what that deals with or what that means?
Oh, I know that. It's
Okay,
standing up. It's standing up for yourself.
It's talking about self, right? And
Yes.
it's feeling good about yourself, right?
Mhm.
Right?
Right. Yeah.
And having a very good self-esteem it's important, right?
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Because
It helps give us confidence.
right.
Good
And if you
job.
have low self-esteem, what confidence do you have when you talk or when you walk or when you meet
Yeah.
people,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
All
Right.
of those.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Robert, can you read the word of the week?
Mhm.
Okay.
Go first, buddy. Take my man.
It's the one in the box.
On the.
Oh, this one right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm right here.
Yeah, change ball.
Mhm.
Sociable.
Notable.
Oh.
Sociable.
Thank
Right.
you.
There you go.
All
There you
right. So let's try and make a sentence with both of these words. So I already explained what self-esteem means. Jason, can you tell me a sentence with self-esteem?
Oh. Okay, no, okay. Self-esteem.
go.
It could be a simple one. Yes.
Huh?
A simple sentence.
Okay. Hey, Emily, what's going on? That's all.
DJ,
Yeah.
stop,
Sorry.
please.
Sorry.
All right. Let Jason concentrate. Jason, can you just give me a simple sentence using self-esteem?
Hey, how's your?
Cut out.
What was that?
I can't think of anything right now.
Well, explain about your self-esteem. How's your self-esteem?
Oh, it's pretty good.
Well, there you go. My self-esteem is pretty good. That's a
Mhm.
sentence.
Yeah.
All right.
There you
Yeah.
go. Good
There
job.
you go.
Hey.
Woo.
Emily, I
All
got
right.
one.
So now let's explain what sociable means, right? And I know everyone here is very sociable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are little social butterflies.
Yeah, that's great.
I'm not gonna name you, but no.
So sociable means the willingness to
Uh-huh.
engage in
Right.
activities with other people, being friendly,
Yeah, you have to be nice.
right?
Right.
Future, can you give me a sentence using the word sociable?
Like I could say I'm sociable and riding my bike or
Mhm.
taking a walk.
Mm-hmm.
Something like that.
Okay. So I am sociable when I take a walk.
Yeah.
So that is saying that you are talking to other people and being friendly when you're taking a walk. Very good.
Yeah, that's right.
That's how I am. They say
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
hello.
Yeah.
Jose, do you
walk
want to give
too.
me a CJ?
Sorry.
Jose, do you want to give me a sentence with the word sociable?
Yeah, in my neighborhood, when I walk around for some exercise, aside from being physical, it's actually quite sociable because as you go by anyone's house, anyone that's out, watering their yard or outside, you say hello to, or if you know them, you actually stop and talk for a few minutes and then continue.
Right.
Good job.
Good example.
Good job. Good job, Jose.
Thank you.
What are
Thank
some
you.
things? What are some guidelines that we should follow when we're social?
I don't know how people do it.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, in the apartment, before I left, there's this one, I just walked, one particular person
Oh,
walked
just
by
took a
with
screenshot.
a little dog, like, knew me, saw me every time. Right, but, you know, I mean, said hi and talked to her for about a couple
Yeah.
minutes, and went on to me. There's nothing wrong with that, guys, but that's,
And what are some guidelines that we should follow when we are being sociable with others?
Ooh.
Kircha?
I think you should show respect. And if you socialize with somebody, there's some stuff that like if I socialize with somebody, I don't have to talk about my problems or say inappropriate things or,
Very
that's
Right.
what I'm trying to, do.
Very good. So being polite, right?
Being
Also,
Yeah.
being respectful, right?
Right.
Those are
That's
very
right.
good guidelines. Do you have anything else, Robert?
What I did have in my mom's house, and I play basketball a lot, and I do a lot of exercise going, and when I see the strength, when I was walking with my mom, and I see the strength to her, and he said hi, but I didn't talk to him at all. And then I know you did the right thing.
Very good. Good job.
Good job, buddy.
All right. Awesome. So let's move on to the next portion on the worksheet, and that is some math. So we're going to go back to our math.
I love it.
All right. So let's do the first one. So that's 41 plus 22,
Right.
right? So Jason, where do we always start? The right or left?
left, right.
We start on the right. Exactly. So what's 1 plus 2? CJ,
Yeah.
1 plus 2.
Plus 2.
1 plus 2.
1 plus 2. Sorry. 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 Well, there's 22.
You're right. So we're adding 1.
22.
Nope. Look at my fingers. Put your fingers up.
Yeah.
All right. But no, you put only 2 fingers up on one hand. And then on
Right.
the other hand, you put 1 up.
Right.
Just 1. There you go. So how many total do you have?
2 and 1.
How many fingers do you have up? Count them together.
1, 2, 3.
So what's 2 plus 1?
Is 3.
Very good. Good job. So we're going to go ahead and write 3 on the right side of number 1. Kircha, what's 4 plus 2?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job.
Thank you.
All right. So what's the total? It is 63.
That's what I already wrote it.
Good job.
I got it.
Hector, ¿quieres hacer el otro, Hector?
Uno, 2, 5 menos 1, 4. 3, 52.
Yeah.
¿Cuál es el número?
52.
Very good. So he said the answer is 42.
42. Woo!
All right, so we're gonna explain how we did that. So what's 3 minus 1, Robert?
2.
Very good. What's 5 minus 1, Jason?
Where's one?
5 minus 1.
It's
4.
4.
Say that again.
You said,
Jason,
Huh?
what's 5 minus 1?
5 minus 1. 6.
No,
Take away.
we're subtracting, we're taking away. So 5, taking away 1.
5.
No, put your fingers up. If you have 5 fingers and you're taking away 1. Take away 1, how many do you have left?
4.
4. So 42 is the answer for number 2. Very good. What's 6 plus 0?
What was 2?
6 plus 0.
6.
Very good. So put the 6 down. And what's 3 plus 2?
5.
Very good. So what's that number together?
56.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, Jose, 7 minus 4.
That would be a 3.
Good job. All right, Robert, 6 minus 1.
5.
Okay, what's the total answer?
56.
Nope,
Not 6.
not a 6. If 7 minus 4 is 3, so it's 53.
Oh, 53.
All right, fix it on your paper if it's wrong,
Very good.
okay?
oh.
Oh, I got it.
You got
Okay.
it.
And then the last one. Hector? Where's Hector? Do you want to do 4 plus 6? ¿Cuál es 4 más 6? And 10, very good. He said 10. So if we put the 0 up top, what do we do with the 1, Robert?
You gotta borrow the 1 from the 4.
No, you don't gotta borrow. You gotta carry it.
You gotta carry it.
Very good. So if we carried the 1, what's 4 plus 1? Jason?
4 plus
I have 4 and I'm adding 1.
5.
Very good. So what's 5 plus 5? Kircha.
10.
Very good. So if we have the 10 and we already have the 0, what's the complete number, Jose? The last one. What's the complete number?
Oh. Another 0 at the end.
Yep. So what's the complete number?
100.
Very good. Hector, yo te escuché cuando lo dijiste. Muy bien, Hector. Good job. All right. So we completed our worksheet for the day.
Cool.
Yes.
Right. Thank you so much. So
You're welcome.
tomorrow's lesson, let me tell you guys, I'm going to be sending it tomorrow, but it's going to be an interactive lesson.
Ooh, you know, girl.
I will be sending you guys some supplies that you guys will need to get in your home.
Yeah.
All right. So
All
look
right.
for that.
Ooh.
It's going to be a fun one. Thank you guys so much for today.
Thank
It was
you.
a very informative one.
Mhm.
Okay.
And